What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Health app crashing issue on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all check for app updates. So for that, open the Galaxy Store. Now click on the menu icon and then click on updates. So if there is any update pending for health app, then update the health app, and after updating, the Samsung Health app will start working properly. But after updating, if you're still facing the issue, then the next solution is uninstall the health app and then reinstall it. So for that, open the health app. So here press and hold on this app, press and hold, and from here tap on uninstall, and from the pop-up again tap on OK to confirm. And after uninstalling, reinstall the app, and reinstalling will fix the crashing issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.